All right, you guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another POV drive. On tonight's video, for tonight, guys, we have something a little different. We have a little POV drive, and we're also going to include me working out at the gym. Show you guys a little bit of some of the stuff I like to do. Right now, it is 10:15. Oops, car right there. It's a blind spot, you can't see me. Can't really see who's coming, but anyways, guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys with me to the gym. It's gonna be a short POV drive, along with some workout scenes at the gym. Anyways, today is Thursday. I hope everyone is doing well. So you guys know I told you in the last video that that things will be changing a little bit because of what's happening with the car. I know that the cats are on their way out, so I am trying to prevent that from happening. Ooh, that's a e-tron? Audi e-tron GT or something like that. Nice car. But yeah, guys, until I get the test pipes or the high flow cats, I won't be doing like crazy POV drive videos. I'm doing more videos like these where I share with you guys a little bit of my lifestyle. So that's what it's going to be from now on. So content is going to be changing. I hope you guys are liking it. Oh, the display is coming back on. If anybody knows how to fix that on an Audi S4, comment down below and let me know what steps I need to take. Do I need to replace the instrument cluster, or is there a fix for it? Let me know. Yeah, guys, the car at this moment, I'm not pushing it too hard. It's been treating me well so far, but I can feel the cats are like, yo, I'm giving up on you. So you might want to stop driving like crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna share with you guys a little bit of who's sponsoring me in my videos, and that would be myself. Before we get to that, let's do this. Bro is crossing the road. Anyways, guys, back to my sponsor. I wanted to talk to you guys about Tektronix. Tektronix.com is a place where anybody can go ahead and get their first gaming PC. If you are looking to get into the gaming scene and you want to play for fun or professionally, you want to compete, I sell gaming PCs built specifically to whatever it is that you want. So what I do have online is pre-built. So if you guys want to check that out and you guys like what you see, you guys can purchase from me. You guys now have the ability to finance gaming PC if you'd like. For a PC that's under $1,500 or exactly $1,500, you guys can do monthly payments on it. I think that the payments are done in 4 payments, so in over 4 months. So please take advantage of it, guys. If you want to get into a gaming PC at this time, this is the opportunity to do it. I am offering a 10% off if you use code RTFLV. Put it up on the screen here. I'm also offering free shipping, you guys. And along with that, I can help you guys set it up at your homes if this is your first time setting up a computer. And yeah, you guys, take advantage of it because not a lot of people are offering what I offer, you know? So yeah, guys, go ahead and check it out. It's Tektronix.com. And yeah, let's get back into this video. Hopefully there's not a lot of people at the gym because I can get pretty uncomfortable when you're recording videos, you know? Recently, you guys, I have somebody who's a personal trainer, and he's setting up a program for me so that I can follow and stick to for the upcoming months. So what he's gonna do is he's going to train me, and I want to document the process. So yeah, guys, we have to stay healthy, and I think that's one of the ways that we can flourish as people. All right, boys, let's get this workout in. All right, you guys, we're gonna finish it off with Stairmasters. I'm gonna do 10 minutes there, and we'll call it a night. All right, you guys, what's going on? We are done with the workout. Had a really good workout today. All right, you guys, that was the end of the workout. I hope you guys can see me good. The GoPro ran out of juice, so I'm recording with the phone. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please follow for more. Turn on the post notifications so if you guys want to follow my journey, you guys can see it with me. So thank you guys. Peace out and God bless. Have a good one.